This is the yo-yo sound spelling card. The sound is y. Y is spelled with the letter Y. You can see the letter Y here. So remember, this is the yo-yo sound spelling card and it says y. Practice saying that with me. Y, y, y. You kind of are pulling your chin down as you're saying the sound y. I am going to write the letter y. And as I write that letter, you need to say y. 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 Good job. Now we are going to practice this letter. Now this is the zipper sound spelling card, and the sound Z is spelled with the letter Z. Say that with me. Z. Now you hear that again in that word zipper. I'm going to write the letter Z, and as I write Z, you need to say Z. 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 Now we are going to practice sounding out a few words. Here is our first word. This is the letter Z. It says Z. Letter I says I. Letter P says. Let's put those sounds together. Z, it, zip. The word was zip. We're going to try another one. Remember that letter Z says Z. A says A. P says P. Put those sounds together. Z, A, zap. The word is zap. Here is our next word to sound out. Y says Y. E says F. T says T. Y, et, yet. The word is yet. And our last word here, I just changed that last letter to an S. So Y says Y, E says F, S says Y, S. Yes, the word is yes. Yes, you're doing a great job. Alrighty, we are going to sound out each of these words here. You need to practice with me at home as we read each of these words. Here we go. Y, et, yes. Y, et, yet. J, et, jet. L, et, let. Z, it, zip. Z, at, zap. M, at, map. T, at, tap. J, ab, jab. J, ob, job. J, ig, jig. B, ig, big. Y, ack, yak. Y, am, yam. J, am, jam. J, ug, jug. Now if we take a look here, we have two sentences. Remember, our sentences always start with what? What do our sentences always start with? They start with a capital letter. So there's the capital letter, it is a Y. And then our sentences always end with what? Some sort of punctuation mark. This time it is a period. Good job. Then I want to count how many words are in the sentence. Okay, let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3. So this sentence has 3 words in it. Now we are ready. We are going to read this sentence. Please notice that some of the words, they're sight words for us, and then one word we need to sound out. So let's sound out this word. Y, s, yes, I did. Now, I didn't sound fluent with that. I didn't sound the way I talk. So I'm going to go back and do it again. Yes, I did. Now I sound like how we talk. Let's take a look at this next sentence. Okay, go ahead. Think at home. What is the sentence start with? Yeah, it starts with that capital letter. What does the sentence end with? It ends with the period. Remember that when we read, we always read left to right. So I start on the left side and I go towards the right. I see some words in here that we know. This is a sight word. This is a sight word. This word we've sounded out before. So that means this word and the last word are the only ones we really might have troubles with. So let's go ahead and we'll practice sounding them out. Zach, Zach has a big job. Ooh. Okay, we got all the words correct. Now let's say it so we sound fluent. Zach has a big job. Did I sound fluent yet? Nope, I still had to sound out that first word. Let me practice it before I read it again. Zach, Zach. Okay, that word is Zach. So Zach has a big job. Good work. Now the last thing we need to do is review our sight words. So I'm going to move the dot around and you need to read the word to me, okay? And I will check in a second with you then. So what word is this? R. And have. See. Said. Was. With. For. She. Me. Good job practicing those sight words. Continue to practice those at home, okay? You're doing an awesome job.